Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register in the PropFirm. Sure, leverage funding. You enter the PropFirm section, select Sure Leverage Funding and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on the dashboard, and in this section you click on Register. We enter the registration section. You enter your first and last name in this part, along with your email address, and also set a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And in this section, you repeat your password for confirmation. You register your country of residence and click on Register. We enter the sign-in section. We enter our email address along with the password and click on Login. We enter our account dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.